wanted to give you a tour of the garden. So you're looking at fenugreek. It hasn't grown very tall. I planted them in bunch, but still they'd be good to harvest. Last week I've planted chickpeas and they are coming out, these small teeny plants. Here are my radishes which I started in February. They've been here since, and instead of producing radishes they have bolted, so I'm gonna let these pods grow and that would give me seeds for next year instead of just taking them out. And between the radishes I've planted chickpeas, so they are starting to come up. Here is onion which I have cut in half and planted. I wanted to get seeds and they are now making seed pods. So this is another experiment I wanted to do to get seeds from the onions. So this particular one is a big white onion, so it'd be interesting to see what kind of flower and what kind of seeds it grows. Here's how the ginger plants are doing. So every few days they send out a new shoot, so they are doing good. They are ready to be transplanted. I am going to put them in their own buckets filled with compost. Here are sweet potatoes and they are growing slips, so I'll be using these slips to grow plants. And the beets are looking amazingly healthy. And here are some of the radishes in the ground, and their leaves are looking lush as well. This is watermelon radish, and as you can see they've grown good, so we'll be using those. Since last time we've transplanted peppers and eggplants in buckets. Here are some peppers in the spaces where garlic didn't grow, and garlic now, this Spanish garlic, is like more than 2 feet tall. Here are my tomatoes, where on one tomato plant I'm growing 2 varieties because I grafted them. So one side is one variety, other side is other. So they are in buckets now. So there are 7 buckets which have 2 varieties growing on them. Within them I have peppers which are starting to form peppers already. And here is our elephant garlic which is starting to form scapes. So this is one, and here's another one. So what we'll do is we'll let couple go to flower to see how the flower looks like. And again we put peppers in here. Over here is lettuce. It's raining. They look really good. Peanuts are starting to form good shoots now. This is, next to them is red Russian kale. 4 plants. This is lettuce and bunch. Cilantro coming up. Lola Rosa lettuce. And here are the bean plants starting to form shoots. Onions are growing good, getting taller every day. And these are my tomato plants. I put a string around each and put them in 5-gallon buckets. I have 24 varieties of tomatoes growing, and this is again onions. This is bed of potatoes growing strong. We put hay in here so that they develop additional stems which would bear potatoes. A row of tomatoes again. I'm running out of space here, so they're sitting between the beds. And here are the bed of carrots. So they are now almost like 3 to 4 inches tall. Potato again. There's additional beans, and over here I have put squashes, eggplant, squash again, and another squash plant. So we have 4 squash